on, so we have Mr. Rajgopal Singh who would like to share his experience while being an intern for the MP Police for these 45 days. And after his experience, we'll be revealing the certificate that the students have achieved. So, Mr. Rajgopal Singh, I request you to please take over.
Uh, Good afternoon, Honorable DGP sir. Good afternoon, Honorable Manas sir and Dr. Shishir sir. I would also like to thank Dr. Ajay, Dr. Abhay sir, for whose kind and motivating words really motivated us to grow on the path and take up the bigger challenges and bigger and to move towards the bigger picture and achieve the bigger picture and bigger goals. Uh, I would also like to thank DGP sir for giving us the opportunity to work with him and to work under him as he was our mentor for all these 45 days and the way sir you made us aware of the problems that society is going through and what practical and easy solutions are there to solve those problems. Taught me DSA. He has always focused on how to optimize the real life problem solutions, sir. So thank you so much, sir, for this wonderful experience of 45 days. I would also like to thank our dean, sir, who has been constantly with us and has supported us for this 45 days. And also my mentor, Dr. who has given us the freedom to work with him and also make the idea very clear that how to work on the technical part. At the same time, I would also like to say that for these 45 days, we have touched, as our group idea was Think Tank Rich India and Innovation Rich India, we have touched many issues like groundwater problem, alpha milk problem, organic rich India, and many such problems have been encountered. And DGP sir has told us the real life solutions and real life problems that can be solved very easily and very by putting very small efforts. And he has also given us one very great example of how small efforts has been able to achieve so much. So thank you, DGP sir. And I truly will say this that uh, जो स्टेटमेंट था सर, सबका साथ सबका विकास, वो आप सार्थक करते हैं क्योंकि सर आप हर डोमेन, हर वॉक ऑफ लाइफ को एक साथ लेके चलते हैं, बी इट एग्रीकल्चर, बी इट साइंस, बी इट सोशियो इकोनॉमिक इश्यूज. Thank you so much, sir, for working with us, and it's an honor to be a part of your team, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Raj. Yes, sir, it's very true. We've had an amazing experience working with you, working under you, sir, and we really look forward to work with you more. Now, I request Ganesh to please display the certificate, the first look of the certificate that we'll be giving away to the interns. So this is the certificate that has been designed, and we're very lucky to have earned this certificate. A big thanks to you, sir. Without you, this wouldn't have been possible. Moving on, thank you, Ganesh. We have Miss Priyanka Giri to deliver a vote of thanks in order to close the ceremony. Priyanka, I request you to take over.
Hello everyone. On behalf of EIT Bhopal University, I extend a hearty vote of thanks to our chief guest, Dr. Abhay Jire, Dr. Anil Kothari, DGP Maithili Sharan Gupta, and Dr. Manas Kumar Mishra, who spared time from their busiest schedules to grace this occasion. Today, we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this will surely encourage us in our future events. Your thoughts have enlightened our minds and have shown us a new path. My gratitude to all the speakers for gracing this occasion and sharing their opinions today. A special mention to Dr. Shishir Kumar Shandilya, Dr. Praveen Lalwani, and Dr. Mohit Gupta for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and standing as pillars of strength. With a deep sense of appreciation, we thank our loving teachers for their untiring efforts. I would also like to thank the people who worked behind the scene to make this event happen. Thanks to our technical arrangements and organizing team. Finally, I would like to thank our students who worked tirelessly to make this project a success. Your days of hard work were evident in your acts. Last but not the least, thank you to each one who made this event memorable for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Priyanka. With this, we conclude today's event, and we would like to congratulate all the interns for completing one full of experience snippet in their lives. Once again, a big thank you to DGP Sir, Dean Sir, and Dr. Shishir Kumar Shandilya, and Praveen Sir for being a constant support for these 45 days. Thank you so much, sir.
Good. Thank you, Aishi.
Thank you, Ayushi.
Gupta sir, it is a great pleasure to have you, with the student. Motivating teenagers is a big challenge. And great that you pulled it off for 45 days.